Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Stunt Life. In today's tutorial, we will be showing you something called the precision jump. So when you're starting out this move, start about a foot away from the object. What you want to do is swing your arms behind your back. Then step 2, as you swing them forward, you want to duck in with your knees. Give a little dip. This leads into step 3. Right as you're dipping up, you want to jump towards the object that you're trying to get to. So hands back. As you bring your hands down, you want to dip your legs down. Then you want to jump towards the place that you're wanting to get to. As you're jumping, make sure to throw your arms straight towards where you're trying to get to, like this. Another neat hack to learn this move is when you're landing, if you're jumping and you land with both feet out, extended all the way, all your weight is going to push down on your knees and really going to hurt. So what you need to do, you want to kind of go down and come up. And by going down and coming back up, that will stop the momentum by doing a little duck. Make sure that when you're jumping, landing on your toes. That way, if you start to fall backwards, you still have that dip in between your foot where you can catch yourself. But if you're landing on your heels, that's bad, because then if you start falling backwards, you have nothing to catch you. So step number 1, throw your arms backward. Make sure that you're not jumping when your hands are back there. You're literally just going to stay where you are. Thanks for watching Stunt Life. Now if you like today's tutorial, then make sure to like it and subscribe for more like this in the future. Now get out there, precision jump.